This is Justin Case of American Newscape, welcoming back our friend Sarah Wisdom with a new episode of Yuma County Library Happenings. Hello, Sarah. Please update us with what's happening at the libraries.
Hello. I want to invite everybody to participate in our Tell Us Your Yuma Library Story event. We've made it pretty easy to participate. You can either write out a favorite library memory or share a good experience you had at one of our libraries, or you can record a video, save it as an MP4, and send it to us. And what we're planning to do with these stories is publish them in February of 2021 when we celebrate our library centennial. So we're trying to collect as many stories as possible. We've heard a lot of great ones in passing, so we're hoping that people can take a minute to either record them on a video or on paper and send them to us, because we'd really like to collect those as part of our centennial celebration.
That centennial celebration is going to be a big deal, right?
It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Our Heritage Library is an original Carnegie Library that opened in 1921. So we're celebrating 100 years for the Heritage Library and 100 years of library service for Yuma County.
Very cool. What else do you have for us, Sarah?
Well, we have a new month coming up, believe it or not, pretty quick here. And I just wanted to remind everybody about our Goodreads book club that we're hosting. The book for November is Educated by Tara Westover. It's a terrific book. I think it provides a lot of fodder for discussion, so we hope people will join us on Goodreads and join in the discussion.
How cool is that? Goodreads and fodder, discussion fodder. I like that. That's a cool term, isn't it? I think that's a technical book club term. Hey, this has been Justin Case and Sarah sharing a glimpse into Yuma County Library happenings. Additional info is in this video's Read More. Thanks for joining us. Remember to support your local library, librarians and their staffs, and please consider subscribing to this channel.